Good morning. My name is Stephen Woodcock. I've been a financial markets professional now for about 35 years. And here's just a general look on the financial markets today. The dollar at the moment seems to be on the back foot, although we are pretty much towards the lower end of the dollar ranges at the moment. But I do see this turning round maybe over the next 2 weeks. Actually, I see the chart formations I'm seeing at the moment suggest to me that we could be at the end of this recent sort of dollar weak point. What I'm looking at generally is the dollar against the Canadian dollar and also against the Japanese yen. We've come off from the Japanese yen was spent a lot of time around 110, sort of 50, 111. We've recently traded down as low as sort of 105, which we're currently sitting just above at the moment. Now, for me, when we see these kind of moves, like I say, we're down towards the bottom end of the dollar range. When we get down here, everyone seems to be talking that, oh, it's continuing and off we go, it's going much lower. But what I'm seeing at the moment is just purely back to the bottom end of the range, and I do expect us to probably see 108 again in the near term, and then continue back up to that 110, 112 area that we've seen probably only 2 months ago. Sterling at the moment, well, that's obviously still suffering the Brexit woes, although we do seem to have found a little bit of support down towards 120.5. And I do think that sterling has got a little bit of upside in it at the moment. It's got that feel that there may be something underneath over the last couple of days. And obviously we've got 120 is a big psychological level. Also 119, sort of 40, 60 is a previous low when we had a flash crash going back some time. So what I'm expecting for sterling is we see sterling still under pressure, mind you, but I do expect sterling to maybe rally off of the levels we're at the moment. There's possibilities we could see it 122.5, 123.30, something like that. But I do expect to see sterling a bit higher. We will remain under pressure until we come out of the European Union, until the end of October. Uncertainty seems to be the key that is certainly driving sterling, certainly against the dollar and against the euro, and we still have lots and lots of uncertainty. We seem to be in a quiet period news-wise as well. I do think that the markets seem to have had a couple of weeks where there doesn't seem to have been too much market moving comment coming out. So what I'm saying is that look to buy sterling maybe around 50 points lower from where we are now, about 120, 120. And then I think you may see it 22.5, a little bit higher. Going into Brexit, I do think sterling will see another low, but that will be just after the occasion. And then after that, I do expect us to maybe start to rally back towards 130, 135 once we complete Brexit. Thank you very much.